For hard-working villagers, illness is the worst nightmare. In such remote places, access to medical facilities on time is almost impossible. In most of the cases, things get complicated and aggravated because of lack of timely treatment. Often, death engulfs innocent victims of normal ailments just because they were not treated on time. Keeping such predicaments and problems of rural life in the mind, the government has introduced the innovative idea of mobile hospitals. Mobile hospitals take the facilities of primary healthcare services to the doorstep of the common rural people. These mobile hospitals treat around 100 to 200 patients a day. That means it provides primary health services to approximately 3,000 to 6,000 patients a month, or in other words, 36,000 to 72,000 patients in a year. The Health Department, Government of Madhya Pradesh, has entrusted the responsibility of providing mobile healthcare facilities to various developmental blocks. The facilities of the mobile hospitals are first approved by the Chief Medical Officer of its area before they set on their journey to the remote villages under its area of operation. Every morning, the Deen Dayal Mobile Hospital checks its medical equipments and takes stock of the medicine. The equipment is immediately replaced just in case it's malfunctioning. After making sure that it conforms to the stringent standards put up by the government, the mobile hospital leaves for its destinations as scheduled for the day. People on roads to the neighboring villages are intimated through public address systems beforehand, so as patients from nearby area too can come to the designated villages and access healthcare from the Deen Dayal Mobile Hospital. Usually, the mobile hospital is strategically parked in a place that attracts congregation of villagers such as haats, bazaars or marketplaces. As soon a patient arrives, his case is registered. Registration. Then he is led to checkup and treatment, and as required medicine is given free of cost. Free medicine. The mobile hospitals primarily provide facilities such as ANC checkup, general consultation, blood and fling tests, etc. These mobile hospitals are also additionally used for spreading awareness on healthcare, health programs and plans as promoted by the government. Films of 30 minutes made on health-related issues are screened twice or thrice for the audience. Each Deen Dayal Mobile Hospital has one MBBS doctor, one pharmacist cum van in charge, one compounder and a driver. They work dedicatedly towards the patients each day from 10 am to 6 pm. The mobile hospitals have following instruments: ECG instrument, stethoscope, BP instrument, health inspection table, thermometer, ANC, PNC checkup instruments available on MHU, hemoglobin meter, fetoscope, speculum, weight machine, IUB kit, heuristic, torch, Shales chart, and contraceptives. All these available medical facilities are provided free of cost in the mobile hospital units. Medical consultation and primary health treatment, information about various methods on family planning, distribution of medicines, vaccination, pre- and post-natal health checkups and distribution of medicines, health checkup for young girls, also sex and maternity education, identification of complicated health-related symptoms and right treatment at a specific level. Patients suffering from serious diseases are referred to specialists and big hospitals. Blood and phlegm checkup to detect malaria and TB. Spread awareness about various government-run policies and healthcare programs. Giving information about various health-related subjects. Dr. Jan Video on Wheels Limited is also operating mobile health vans named Sachal Chikitsa Vahan in Uttarakhand to provide diagnostic, curative and preventive health services for the rural population of Uttarakhand.
मैंने खुशी हो रही है, खुशी की दवाई है और स्वास्थ्य खुला है। पिछली बार दिखाया था, आराम लगा है।
मेरा नाम सत्य सिंह भंडारी जी और ये हमारी माता जी के घुटनों में दर्द था। हम पहले दवाई ले गए, उसे थोड़ा आराम है तो हम फिर दोबारा दवाई के लिए आए।
The van has facilities of ultrasound, X-ray, ECG, pathological tests, ANC, PNC, checkup, etc. 10 number of medical and paramedical staff have been provided in the van. These are project coordinator, general physician, gynecologist, radiologist, nurse, pharmacist, lab technician, X-ray technician, driver and multiple purpose worker. A large number of people are benefited in remote and far-flung area. The mobile hospitals benefits people who are not able to get the right kind of medical treatment due to the scarcity of money. Lack of adequate treatment leads to their low productivity and finally they die unable to fight with the diseases. According to the villagers, it costs them around rupees 150 to 200 to go to the nearest primary health center once, and it also takes away crucial time from their work. The disease gets complicated over a period of time without proper care and finally forces them to take refuge in the government hospitals. It's a vicious cycle that leads to high mortality. Thus, the mobile hospital units work as a boon for the poor villagers. They are thankful to the state government for such a facility. They also facilitate programs, IEC and training programs using TV and VCD players. It has all the basic facilities to spread awareness and for the health treatment of people. The mobile hospital units have also done well to the state governments in terms of their enhanced credibility and impression on public. It can be seen as a direct example of instant impact of governance. It takes around 4 to 5 years for a government to implement on any decision, which benefits the next government. But these mobile hospital units can be implemented in just 6 months. In that respect, the mobile hospitals are best mediums for a government to make its presence felt. Dr. Jan Video on Wheels Limited has technically modified these MHUs. GPS, Global Positioning System, is used to keep a track of the MHUs. It uses internet to keep a track of the whole route of any such mobile hospital, and the maps generated can be used as proofs. These also provide the facility of telemedicine, which lets the poor villagers utilize super specialist consultation right from their village. It is an internet-based telemedicine facility which is used to transfer data on X-ray, ECG, sonography, ELISA analyzer, BP to hospitals linked with district headquarters, where various specialists can study them, generate reports and send them back to the computers in these MHUs. The internet-based HMIS web portal has the facility of creating prompt monitoring report. This HMIS can be used to access the data anywhere in the world through internet. These mobile hospitals are a boon to the people in remote villages. These surely are adding up to the productivity of the people. This reduces the crowd of patients at the gate of big hospitals because if the right treatment is given at the initial stage, it prevents the disease to grow fatal. Faster the availability of mobile health vans in villages, better will be the results.